Barbecue chicken, quarter, special naan, 2 pieces, beef rezala, shorisha beef tehari, half. Okay. This is from Foodie Al Qadiriya restaurant, Badda. Okay, let's unbox. We have ordered previously and their food is good and packaging also nice. Yeah, this is achar and this is mayonnaise. This is I can't remember right now what is this. Sweet taste. Yeah. The salad. Okay, I think it's 2 special naan here. Yes, wow. 2 special naan, hot because of this packaging. Okay, this is beef rezala. We are preparing parota and we have also special naan, beef rezala. Okay, and now this is the grill. Okay. Okay. This is not that hot. Now this is our special shorisha tehari. Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow.
Nice.
Nice.
This is all. And here is our parota just prepared. Okay, specially for this beef rezala. Okay, this is all. Okay, opening it. The dessert. Okay. Now this is sauces and this is achar. Okay. Here is the all item. We have ordered this and we have prepared this. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.